Alright, hello. I'm not really sure. Oh, I'm recording this thing for class.
Oh.
The chapter was pretty interesting. I think it's really informative to start talking about retirement because that's not something you typically think about when you're in your 20s and in the middle of school. But I liked the point that the chapter made that you're never too early to start, and I like the idea of even if you can't invest a lot of money into your retirement plan, just getting in the habit. So even if it's just investing like a simple $10 a month or $25, just to make sure that you're in the habit of investing and then increasing that number as we're more able to do that. That's something that I'm going to start. I'm still a little bit confused on what the difference is between the Roth IRA and a traditional IRA. I know one is like better to have when you have a lower income versus the other, but I still am just a little bit confused with what the difference is. And I thought it was a little bit morbid talking about death, talking about the calculators. I'm honestly too scared to try those online calculators. I don't know when I'm going to die. And yeah, I don't know how to upload this video, but I'm going to figure it out. Hopefully this is what you needed.